tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and as well Thursday morning. Basically, good morning. It is vlog 1420. It's December 24th. It is the beginning of the last trip of the year. And we're going to be going somewhere that you might remember from at the beginning of the year. It was in late February when we had been there. Check out vlog 1123 and you will remember we will be going there, you guys. Okay, I'm now waiting for my mom to come. She's right there. Look at these right there, restaurants. Now we're getting on the plane. Yeah. Oh, it's surprising that the rain has stopped. Quite likely. I don't see any bit more.
Wi-Fi and launch the app. Your device should remain in flight. Laptop users can simply visit planet.thy.com via a Google Chrome web browser for access. Further information can be found on the internet.
My name is Suhaita Bova and I'm interventionist. We will be pleased to help you during this time. You may use your electronic devices or mobile phone. Electronic devices which do not have the light on feature must be turned off. For takeoff and
Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping others.
But this is like a real cartoon program. Yeah, now let's go a bit outside a little bit. Do this cartoonic move.
Please make sure that your window blind is open. Your tray table is closed.
Oh, we're already taking off. Almost. No, it's gonna be cold at our destination, but okay, yeah, there. Switch on the plane. I have plenty of battery. Let's see. Check out the battery. 89%. 89%. That is plenty, but I already wasted 11% of it. So I'm not sure if I'm playing it the whole time. we just came into our hotel room like 2 minutes ago, and currently there are some people skiing right now. Some of the ski lifts are going, even though it's slow, it's still functioning. Wow, there isn't a big number of people. Oh, I thought that guy wearing the black sweater was gonna bump into that little girl, but either way. Oh my god, it's like his... Oh, I thought this guy right there was her ski tutor. So now there are a higher number of skiers than there were a couple of hours ago. I know.
No, there are still very few there.
Oh, there's still very few.
Yeah.
I mean, at least there's more than how it was.
It's getting cold.
I know, it is getting cold. It's starting to freeze. Although it is nice and sunny, it is starting to freeze. We just rented some skis, and now... Oh, wow, the DJ. Oh my god. Do it now. So, we have just done renting the skis. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and as well Thursday morning. Basically 3 ski sessions will be done. I'm gonna have to go back to Z because I forgot we haven't scheduled the hours about what time we're gonna do the lesson. It just stopped again. It stopped at 5 as well. Okay, we just finished tea time and it is time to go to swimming after all. So yeah, I am waiting the elevator to come to my floor and then it'll be enjoyed here. Now the crowd is starting to get very noisy. Of course it is tea time. I'm talking about almost 5. Okay, now both of the elevators are up to the 2nd floor and this is the 4th. Oh no. 2 2s. Okay, now it's a 3. And there we go. Oh, damn it, it went up to 5. 6. Didn't go to the 7th. Yeah, you might remember from earlier this year. B1. Oh, sorry, I pressed the wrong button, you guys. This is freaking unbelievable. Crazy. Yeah. So yeah, now it is time for me to go down to swimming and get to relaxing before ski trips tomorrow. Oh, guys, it is so cold. I just got out and it is like literally cold. Hey, look at these. What is going on with all that group? Let's go. Oh man, these are pretty slippery, so gotta protect my butt. Alright guys, it is getting noticeably cold, freezing, that is it. Yeah, these ski lifts have already stopped moving, but these ones still are. I'll see you in the next video. Yep, just take me a shot. So yep, I'll see you tomorrow.